Welcome to Wealth Talk, where all it takes is few minutes a day to get started on your wealth journey. Previous video, we lay out the 4 steps to start acquiring and building a good credit score. Now you've got your shiny new credit card. Now what? How do I build and maintain good credit? The first thing you need to know is how to use it responsibly. You should aim to pay your credit card balance in full every month. This helps you avoid interest charges and keeps your credit score in good shape. Your credit card issuer will send you a monthly statement detailing your balance, due date, and minimum payment. Your statement balance shows what you owed on your credit card at the end of your last billing cycle. Most banks will also tell you your current balance when you check your balance online. Your current balance reflects the total you actually owe at any given moment. Paying either should be enough to avoid interest charges, but paying your full current balance when possible can help improve your credit utilization ratio and potentially your credit scores as a result. What is the minimum payment means on your statement? The minimum payment is the smallest amount you are required to pay by the due date to keep your account in good standing. It's usually a small percentage of your total balance or a fixed amount. While paying only the minimum keeps you in good standing, it can result in paying more interest over time. The interest rate, or APR, annual percentage rate, is the cost of borrowing on your credit card. If you don't pay your balance in full, you'll incur interest charges based on this rate. It's important to understand your card's APR and strive to pay off your balance to avoid interest. There is no federal limit on how high a credit card interest rate can be. The average interest rate is around 28.9%, and some cards are as high as 33%. So make sure you don't overspend and make a rule of paying your statement balance before the due date to avoid paying hefty interest. Another credit card feature to avoid is cash advance. A cash advance lets you withdraw cash using your credit card. However, this usually comes with a higher interest rate and fees compared to regular purchases. Plus, there's no grace period for cash advances. You start accruing interest immediately. The above tips will help you manage your credit card wisely. Now, let's examine some of the benefits of having a credit card beside the convenience. First up, earning reward points. Many credit cards offer rewards programs where you earn points for every dollar you charged on your card. A charge is simply any purchase or transaction made using your credit card. This can include everything from buying groceries to booking a vacation. Each charge is added to your total balance, which you'll need to pay off. These points can be redeemed for cashback, travel, or other perks. Be sure to understand how your card's rewards program works and how you can maximize your benefits. Second, the convenience of refunds. If you return an item, you will get a refund automatically. The amount will be credited back to your credit card. This will appear on your next statement as a credit, reducing your overall balance. Always check your statement to ensure refunds are correctly processed. However, the money refunded to your account is not considered a payment or a partial payment toward your credit card, which means you'll still need to make at least the minimum payment on your balance when it comes due. But you should always pay your entire balance in full. Third, taking advantage of the grace period. Most issuers give you a grace period to pay for your balance. The grace period is the time between the end of your billing cycle and the due date for your payment. If you pay your full balance during this period, you won't be charged interest on your purchases. This period is typically around 21 to 25 days, but it can vary by issuer. It is basically a free personal loan. Fourth, fraud prevention and detection benefit. It helps to prevent financial losses and reduce the occurrence of fraud. Credit card issuers use tools and protocols to analyze transactions in real time to identify suspicious activity. It can stop fraud before it starts, and can also help protect customers from identity theft and fraud. Fifth is the ability for you to dispute unauthorized charges. Within 60 days of the bill's mailing date, you can call your credit card company to dispute a charge. You need to provide the date and amount of the disputed charge, a description of the charge, why you're disputing it, and any evidence you have. While the dispute is being investigated, you can withhold payment on the disputed amount. However, you'll still need to pay the rest of your bill. The credit card company has 30 days to acknowledge your dispute and 90 days to resolve it. Follow up with the company to see what action they're taking. There are a lot more benefits when using your credit card. Please check with the issuer for more details. There you have it. You are now armed with all the knowledge you need to enjoy the benefits of having a credit card and at the same time build a good credit score. But remember to use it responsibly and always pay your bill in full and on time. Thanks for watching Wealth Talk. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on managing your money. See you in the next video. Understand that knowledge is power. Watch this channel, gain knowledge, and become wealthy and powerful.